Hi everyone. So we have a case of hiatal hernia. We've got an actor here from Los Angeles with his wife, and you're here for what show?
It's called Spies Are Forever. It's a musical about spies.
Cool, a musical about spies. They're trying to bring it back to Broadway or off Broadway, LA. Keep an eye out for it. But, you know, he's been here for about 48 hours. We've seen him twice. This is our third visit in 3 days, back to back, while he's here. And he thought he would address his hiatal hernia. And why don't you tell everybody about some of the symptoms you had?
Bloating, a lot of pressure, burning, reflux, all that. And spasms, too, sometimes. If I ate certain food, it would...
Stomach spasms?
Yeah, like right underneath the breastbone, just squeezing kind of pressure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he's taking omeprazole medication every day, but we got him to cut that down. But a lot of times, you know, it's not just one or two hiatal hernia maneuvers and you're good to go, it's fixed. You know, if there's a weak diaphragm there, or if you're slouching a lot, or doing sit-ups in the gym, or lifting weights and not breathing properly, all the different things that can aggravate a hiatal hernia, then it's gonna be hard for me to control it, especially living in New York and he's in LA. So we have his lovely wife here to help him. She did a great job. We did it once already, so I'm gonna let her show it while I film it, and then, you know, she's a pro now. So we're gonna go ahead and she's gonna go ahead and put her thumb right there in the, do you want me to do it first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
They might want to see an
Okay,
expert do it.
so we're gonna go ahead. The problem is they can't see from that angle, so I'm gonna have you do it. So we're gonna have her stick her thumb in there. She's standing over his right shoulder, and you'll notice she's got her thumb, the ribs go in this angle. So she's got her thumb, it's gonna be at an angle like this.
Should it be like this? You like
Yeah,
that better?
you could
Okay.
do that if that's more comfortable for you,
Yeah.
or to reach over, whatever's more comfortable for you. So again, the ribs come down like this. She's right under the rib right there, and a finger breaths to the left. Now you want to probably move your hand. There you go. And you want to use the whole pad of the thumb, the length, as much of the thumb as you can. That way, there's more likelihood that you're going to grasp onto the stomach, and it's going to be a successful maneuver. And then the rib is right up here. So she's got her thumb right up against that rib. He's going to go ahead and take some breaths in and out. Good. And after a few breaths, she's just going to keep putting more pressure. She'll get about 1.5 inches deep in there. And I think it just depends on how much belly fat you have. If you're a bigger guy than him, then you might have to push 2 inches in. If you're thinner, you might only need to push 1 inch in. But 1.5 inches, give or take, for a regular sized, average sized person. Okay, and you see she's pushing in there real good. And now you're gonna, when you're ready, when you get to that stop where it just doesn't want to go anymore, you can scoop.
It's hard to scoop from this angle, huh?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. I think I've lost it. There we go. No, I got it.
good. And then slide down, maintaining that pressure. And how does that feel compared to the way I do it?
Good. It was maybe a little less strong.
A little less? Okay, so now I'm going to do it, and I'm going to have her help us. Okay, so again, she turned her thumb this way. I don't recommend doing that. I recommend turning your elbow out and the thumb like this. The fingers flare down the side of the stomach here. And I recommend pushing down. And when you push down here, you want to push, you'll see my arm here is straight above. My center of gravity is right above this thumb right here. So my nose, you guys can't see it now, but is right above this point, my thumbnail right here. So all my pressure, not my body weight, but it's going to go right in that center line of gravity here. And I'm going to keep pushing in about, now I'm going to take my other finger to reinforce it just to get a little more strength in there. And you'll see him about 1 inch into his stomach cavity right now. We're going to go a little bit further to about 1.5 inches. And then once I get there, right now I'm going to do a scooping motion with my thumb while maintaining that pressure and slowly dragging that stomach down out of the diaphragm and pulling that hiatal hernia out. And you could feel it there,
Yeah.
couldn't you?
Yeah, I just felt a vibration.
Okay, sometimes you'll feel like a plunk. You feel various sensations. Sometimes you'll hear gurgling, but that's the hiatal hernia maneuver. You can do this for your partner at home. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and Don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.